Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off app background data on your Google Pixel. This is a useful feature if you want to save mobile data or extend your battery life by preventing apps from using data when you're not actively using them. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon to open up the settings on your Pixel. This is your main hub for adjusting all the important features and configurations on your device. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options to choose from. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section gives you control over all the applications installed on your phone, allowing you to manage their permissions, storage, and data usage. It's an essential area for optimizing how your apps behave in the background. Now tap on See All Apps. This will expand the list and display every single application currently installed on your Google Pixel, including both system apps and the ones you've downloaded yourself. Take a moment to scroll through this list if needed to locate the specific app you want to manage. Locate the specific app you want to adjust and tap on it. For example, let's say you want to turn off background data for Messenger. Just tap on Messenger, and this will open up the detailed settings page for that particular app. Here you'll find various options related to notifications, permissions, storage, and data usage. Once you're on the app's settings page, tap on Mobile Data Usage. This option shows you how much data the app has been consuming, both in the foreground when you're actively using it and in the background when it's running behind the scenes. Understanding this breakdown helps you identify which apps are using the most data without you even realizing it. Now you'll see an option labeled Background Data with a toggle button beside it. This toggle controls whether the app is allowed to use your mobile data when you're not actively using it. Go ahead and tap the toggle button to turn it off. Once you do this, the app will no longer be able to access the internet in the background, which can significantly reduce your overall data consumption and help preserve your battery life. And that's it. You've successfully turned off background data for that specific app on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.